Once you log into your Seesaw, you'll come to this page. There are two things I'd like you to work on before uploading your final edition story. First thing is a note. I'd like you to try typing out your edition story. There is one boy on the playground. Two more boys come to join him. How many boys are there in all? Of course you won't type as fast as Miss Green. I'd like you to take your time, use the picture dictionary books in the classroom to make sure you are spelling your words correctly. Please take your time. You'll click the green check mark. You can record your voice reading out your story. Click the green check mark. And then pick your name. The other thing I'd like you to do is choose one of the three options to help your story come to life. You can either take a photo of your objects, you can take a video of the story, or you can draw the story. This would be my one boy and the two boys that come to join him. You can, if you want, you draw the background or draw the playground. So these are supposed to be swings. We all know Miss Green's not the best drawer, but that's okay. And that's my slide. Again, you make it as colorful as possible. One way Miss Green can understand is after you click the check mark and you come here, you record your story and then you label things. So it's good to label. So I'm going to put my label right here. Two boys. I'm going to put a label right here. One boy. And then I can label this as swings. And I can label this as a slide. This way, all the things in your picture are labeled. And there's nothing to worry about. There's no misunderstanding. Once you're done, remember to click the check mark and pick yours and your partner's name to upload to our Seesaw.